Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to look at MULLEN stock. MULLEN stock, ticker MULN. I'm going to look at the fundamental analysis on that, the fundamental data, and then we're also going to do technical analysis as well. This is a stock that I've been looking at, and you guys requested as well. So if you have any more tickers that you want to see me do videos on, guys, list them down in the comment section below, crypto or stocks. I'll try to get to all of them, but I can only do a couple videos a day. So look out for the video, especially if I tell you that it's coming when I reply to your comment. So let me know what you guys want to see, but without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data for MULLEN stock. Back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to be looking at a ticker called MULLEN, M-U-L-N, ticker symbol MULLEN. Okay, this is a automotive company, EV company, and it is very, very interesting because a lot of news has come out about it. So this is what we're looking at, MULLEN. So first of all, the first thing that is pointing out that you want to look at when you're looking at a stock to invest in is risk to reward. How close are you to the lows and how far away are you from the highs? Well, we are very far away from the highs. That means we have a lot of potential upside, which means we have a lot of reward. Now we are very close to the lows, really close to the lows, which is this 60-cent level. It looks like 60 or 80 cents, 80-cent level. It looks like, no, 8 cents, 8-cent level. So that is the low right now, and we are much closer to the low. So that means your downside to get to the low is just very little, but your upside to get to the highs is a lot. So that means you have a lot of reward for a little bit of potential risk. So that is one plus for this stock. Now, also a ton of news is coming out about this stock. They were getting energy operations announcements. Also, they have a bounce recently that happened, which you guys see on the chart, because they got a patent filing, and there is a lot of things going on with MULLEN. Also, the CEO has already said they're not going to do a reverse split, try to screw over the shareholders, and they do care about the shareholders. So that's another thing that I'm looking at. This is a possible stock that I am possibly entering a position in. I do not have a position as of yet, but I am looking at possibly entering a position into this as early as tomorrow. My entry level that I'm looking try to get into is at or near this 10-cent level. I would love to get it below 10 cents. If I can get it below 10 cents, I would love to get it, but it kind of looks like it's in a bull flag right now, so there's possibility of it popping to the upside, maybe consolidating a little bit more, but it looks like you're probably going to be able to get this for about 9 or 10 cents at this rate. Again, it's forming a little bit of this bull pennant type shape right here after this nice movement to the upside. Now, again, there is a gap fill because of that. Oh, no, there is no gap fill. So we are looking good for a potential move to the upside, especially if this continues to consolidate above that 10 to 9 cent range. So I am trying to pick this up around 9 to 10 cents, get in here, and I am looking to make a position in my personal opinion. As you guys can see, we have the alligator on the 4-hour time, so the green band is bullish and the blue band is bearish. You have the green band crossing over, moving into bullish territory. We also have the MACD on the 4-hour time frame starting to get a bullish cross as well. All bullish signs. On the daily time frame, we have a bullish cross on the MACD already, telling us that bullish momentum is building in the stock, and there also are a lot of potential catalysts that are good for the stock. They're starting to make money. The fundamentals are improving, so a lot of things look good for this stock. It also has this pattern called a bump and go. As you guys can see, this overall sloping resistance, anytime you have a huge sloping resistance like this and you break above it, that is significant to start a uptrend. It is called a bump and go pattern, and I have it here for you guys right here. As you guys can see, we have the downtrend, slipping downtrend, and once you break above it, you start to continue to the upside. That is a bump and go pattern. Here is another indication of it. Big, long downside. And then once you get above it, you start to continue to move to the upside. So that it is in a bump and go pattern, and it is looking very bullish because it has already broken above the downsloping resistance, long-term downsloping resistance, and it is now breaking above it, now entering a uptrend. So it should be going into a uptrend from here on out. So we should be able to see this stock move to the upside and see this continue moving to the upside. So that is what I'm looking at for Mullen as far as the technical analysis is concerned. We also have a couple more indicators that we can look at telling us what's going on for this stock. So if we go ahead and put on the Bollinger Bands and go into the 4-hour time frame, you guys can see that they got really tight here. We had that volatility. And if we go ahead and zoom into the 2-hour time frame, you can see that they're expanded from this move, but they are holding support above the medium line and in between the top band of the Bollinger Bands, letting us know that this move could continue to consolidate in this bull pennant and see another push to the upside. And again, I am personally looking to enter into the stock. As you guys can see on the 15-minute time frame, Bollinger Bands constricting, getting very, very tight, letting us know volatility is coming, and it's most likely going to be to the upside as RSI is starting to cool down, which is exactly what you want to see, because we had this large move, RSI starting to cool down, and now we can get more room to move to the upside for this stock. And I do believe that it's going to start going into a uptrend in my personal opinion. Let's go ahead and look at some of the fundamental data. Cost of borrow rates are very low, so it shouldn't be hard to get shorts, shares available to short for this stock. But FTDs, as of recently, have been starting to spike up all the way up to about 55 million ferry to delivers, and that could cause bullish momentum for the stock, especially because we have T plus 35 closeout dates coming here in late April and in May. So that could cause bullish momentum to the upside because market makers have to purchase shares out of the open market to close these FTDs, again providing bullish momentum to help us get in that uptrend for Mullen. Also, another thing that I found very interesting is institutional ownership. As you guys can see, ever since Q1, Q2, and especially in Q3, they have been buying the stock and not selling it. So institutions have been buying the stock and not selling it, and you always want to follow the smart money and the big money, and they are buying and holding on this particular asset, something I am looking to get into. I do not have a position as of now, but I am definitely looking to get one around that 10-cent level range. If I can get it under 10 cents, that would be great, but it doesn't look like that is a possibility. Also, there is a potential for a small short squeeze here. Stock squeeze on short interest at about 8 to 10%. It is a little below 8%, so it has plenty of short squeeze or short interest to see a little short squeeze, a little to mid-size short squeeze. So if this stock starts to move to the upside, we could see some of those short positions start to cover, giving us movement to the upside, as well as those FTDs covering, and this could all push the stock to the upside very, very quickly, a lot faster than some people think. And you guys can already see that it broke outside of the bands, which anytime you get outside of the bands, price wants to return inside of them. But if you can get outside of them and use them as support, it can enter a squeeze type move. So this is showing us, like here, it entered a squeeze type move before. It could happen again. So this is what I'm looking at for the stock Mullen. Let's go ahead and look at the call options real quick and then wrap up the video. See if the call options are on here. I don't know if they are. Or no, they're not. Okay, so I cannot look at the call options. I do apologize. I thought they were listed on here somewhere. Maybe I'm missing them, but that is something I like to look at as well to see the options chain. And I don't really feel like loading up the options chain right now. But guys, that is what I have for you as of now. Mullen is looking very bullish in my personal opinion. FTDs racking up. T plus 35 closeout date, giving us momentum here into the end of April and in May. We also have enough short interest for a possible short squeeze, and the fundamentals are improving. They're starting to make cash. Lots of news coming out, giving us potential catalysts to move to the upside. The company looks like they are getting stronger, and they already said they won't do a reverse split. So they do care about the shareholders, and it is looking like a good investment in my personal opinion, not financial advice. But this is what this is what I'm looking at for Mullen stock. Hopefully you found this video informative. If you guys have any tickers you want to see me cover, go ahead and list them down in the comment section below. I'll try to do each and every one of them, but I can only do a couple a day. So go ahead and list them in the comment section below. Let me know what tickers you want to see me cover, and I'll try to make videos for them. But this is definitely one I've been looking at personally myself, and Mullen is looking like a great deal, and it looks like it's about to enter a uptrend in my personal opinion. So guys, hopefully you found the video informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and remember, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. Alright guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. I talk about my stocks, go live, do buy, sell updates, trades, everything else there, and more on my Discord. It's free. There is a pay side on the other side, but the one made part is free, so you don't have to worry about paying to go ahead and talk to the community or I. So let's go ahead and wrap up the video, and as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.